iSpyPen fans, my name is Morgan Vars and I'm the Director of Media and Branding. Today we are going to be unboxing two of our new products. So here we have the iSpyPen Pro Premium, which comes just like this, and then we also have the iSpyPen Pro Premium Bundle, which comes with the plug-and-play adapter. When you open it up, you'll notice that if you have already been a previous customer, normally it comes with a little baggie of a charger, but now our pens come with pre-installed memory. So if you remember, that little memory card that you have to insert into the pen is already pre-installed for you, so you don't need to worry about that. And another great thing is that as soon as you order it, it already comes pre-charged. And we also have the Pro Premium Bundle. And so the great thing about the bundle is that it comes with the plug-and-play adapter. And so the great thing about this is that if you take it out, you'll see that it can plug right into your smartphone. You can take out that small little memory card, insert it right into here, and already see the footage from your iSpyPen Pro Premium. So that's one of my favorite aspects of the new product and this bundle package that we have, is that you don't have to wait until you get home. You don't have to wait till you get back to the office to see what you're recording. You have it right at the convenience of your smartphone.
3 reasons why this spy pen has made me a better student. It records up to 4 hours straight, so it's plenty of time to record a lecture. Handheld recorders were often too expensive or too bulky to bring to class, and even when I did use my phone, the range was too short to even pick up my teacher's audio. You don't need to install anything. You can instantly watch your recordings. They also look pretty slick. They're modeled after Mont Blanc pens. It's that luxury brand from Switzerland. Now, I never miss anything in class. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you're in school, you're going to find so many uses for it. So go out and grab one before they sell out again.
iSpypens.com is excited to introduce the iSpyPen Pro. The iSpyPen Pro is a remarkable new camera pen and is the first in its class to make recording easy, practical, reliable, and affordable. If you're seeking the highest level of video quality, recording time, playback reliability, and ease of use, look no further. Sleek and classy, capture everything your heart desires with the iSpyPen Pro.